Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Moonapp token. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 12th. Now there's going to be a IDO period before that, and then the launch of this token on a centralized exchange. Its first initial listing here will be on January 12th. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, it was just announced. It says new IDO project, Moonapp. So this token here is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting January 12th at 10 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Bybit. So if you're looking to get this token, first of all, you would need a Bybit account. So if you don't have one, you could download Bybit from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. And then open an account, and then you would fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section, and you would search app, APP, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then simply just buy the token. So the name of the token is Moonapp, and of course they do have an app, and ticker symbol is app. So the listing date is January 12th on Bybit, but prior to that, starting today, January 2nd, they have this IDO event going on here. So it says Bybit wallet 300 USDC deposit on the Ethereum chain. Snapshot is between January 9th, 10 a.m. UTC time to January 12th, 10 a.m. UTC time. So if you want to get involved with the IDO before the token listing, you can check out the information, first of all, on Bybit's Twitter, at Bybit_official. Has a listing announcement there. You can click on the link, and it'll take you over to Bybit's webpage, or you could just go to Bybit's webpage, bybit.com, and it says snapshot period will start in 6 days, 12 hours. It's got a countdown, and then it says a little bit of info about the project here. It has the contract address. So it says Moonapp product integrates a launchpad primarily for injective projects. So injective is a blockchain. It's not super popular like Ethereum or Bitcoin or whatever, but it's it's somewhat popular. And advanced on-chain trading bots, trading, placing on-chain limit orders, sniping pre-sales, sniping liquidity, and sandwiching bots. It is available on mobile app and PC across major app stores. So then they have the information about the IDO. So it says all participants will have an equal chance to win tokens allocated. Holders will win tickets and may redeem them for allocations. So you can go through all this and how the IDO works, basically. Or you could just wait till the token gets listed and then get it then if you want to get the token. Now their webpage, you can just go to moonapp.io. Over there they have a light paper that you could check out. They have info about the moon drop, video guides, partnerships, change the language. They have the INJ, which is injective, the injective launchpad. You could download their app. They have a Twitter, a Telegram. I'm going to put their Twitter up right here so you guys can easily find that. They have a referral program. They have all sorts of cool stuff that you could check out. So what is this project all about here? So it says here, the Moonapp gives advanced bots lets advanced bots make money on chain. I think this is translated because it's already the grammar's kind of slightly off. You can translate the language for like 10 different languages on their webpage, so that's nice. It says get fast transactions executed by bots based on the command. Configure your trade by entering detailed parameters and let bots do the work. Moonapp makes the smart altcoin trading available to the masses in a simple, safe, and decentralized front end. Altcoins, the opportunities in the lower middle market. It says Moonapp is building an easy-to-use retail-friendly product for automating altcoin money making. They've had 20,000 plus altcoin markets. It says altcoin market is home to various tokens over 20,000 plus altcoins. And then it says altcoin market is home to various tokens over 500 billion altcoins, or $500 billion worth of altcoins, I should say. The grammar is definitely off on this page. They need to fix this. It says the upper altcoin market, ETH, Sol, Matic, and other major assets enjoy a comprehensive range of professional trading tools and ample liquidity. However, clear market cap gap appears to be in the lower middle market, which suffers from the problems of the emerging environment. So that is where this comes in. And it says the first to market with mobile-friendly crypto. So they have leading fintech products comprising $500 billion market value are mobile first. So mobile super apps simplify finance like Uber, WeChat, Alipay. So mobile apps will attract and engage millions of users. And the Moonapp is the first altcoin trading solution with a retail-friendly mobile interface. So users sign in without having to manage any crypto private keys. Credentials run by your fingerprint, email, or passcode. So it says the biggest centralized exchanges already capitalized on mobile-oriented Web3 user base like Binance, KCEX, and Coinbase successfully with their easy-to-use mobile apps. So Moonapp operates in a DeFi trading market where protocols typically do not hold user funds. However, Moonapp offers the advantage of automation and tooling that other trading protocols do not have, which is much easier for onboarding for new users. So Moonapp is the only platform enabling automated, non-custodial altcoin trading with a focus on retail use. Similarly to Moonapp, EDX Markets does not hold user funds. However, this platform intends to serve institutional traders and major assets in the market. So they're comparing themselves to a whole bunch of different things, but basically showing how they're superior. And then underneath that, they have like a chart that shows how Moonapp is superior to centralized exchanges and decentralized exchanges when it comes to trade automation, limit orders, sniping bots, sandwich bots, and non-custody of clients' assets. So they go through all the stuff. There's executing the spot trades. There's placing conditional orders, utilizing your altcoins, snipe presale, snipe LP pools, copy trade. Shows you what the Telegram bot looks like, the app interface, all sorts of cool stuff here. You could download the app from their page. There's a link that'll take you to the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. And yeah, go check out the IDO if you're interested in this token. They have a lot more of the specifics on the token on Bybit. If you go over there, at Bybit_official, you'll see the Moonapp IDO project announcement. You can click on the links there. It'll take you over there. And then if you just want to wait until it gets listed, you can get the token just off the Bybit app in the trading zone, January 12th, 10 o'clock UTC time. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know, what do you guys think about Moonapp down there in the comment section? Do you think this is a good investment, or are you actually going to use like the sniping, the limit orders, the tools, all that stuff in the app? Are you interested in the app, or are you just the token, or neither? Leave a comment, like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.